Imagine a home invasion. Imagine the sound of a break-in. That's right. Barely a sound. Very likely, the lock that you use today can be easily picked or bumped, giving criminals free access to your home. And the staggering amount of online tutorials makes it almost too easy. Over 30% of burglars enter through the front door. Until now. The revolutionary secure Oviku Smart Lock now makes your existing lock immune to lockpicking, bumping, or even stolen or copied keys. You control the security level of your existing lock by changing the 3 locking stages on the Oviku Smart Lock. Easy and safe to use. Easy to install. Oviku Smart Lock protects your home wherever you are. A lock protects your home. We protect your lock. Unpickable, unbumpable, unbelievable. The patented Oviku Smart Lock upgrades your existing lock and your home to a new standard of security. Also available as the manual Oviku Deadbolt, offering you the same level of protection while you sleep at night. Oviku, rethinking secure home.